Hey there everyone, welcome to Gaming Basics, and on today's video, we're gonna look at how to switch decks in Marble Snap. So let's get started. Now to switch decks, you must at least have 2 or more than 2 decks. If you have only one deck, go watch my previous video on how to make new decks. If you have more than one deck already, just tap on deck at left of play. Here, you can see the list of decks you already have. Just tap on the deck that you want to equip. And as you can see, the deck I selected has been equipped. And that's how you change decks on Marble Snap. If you have any confusion about this, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.